Hello friend, my name is Rajana. In this video, I will show you how to rate the product in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I use the REPT function and how-to method. Firstly, I insert a star from Excel into the REPT function. And secondly, I insert a star directly into the REPT function. Method 1. Insert a star, phrase key, window, and semicolon. Click on star and close. Equal. Select on REPT. Click on star, comma, click on to, close parenthesis, and press enter. Double click, but not working, and scroll to down, not working also. Error in the formula because I forgot to insert dollar symbol. Press enter again. Click and scroll down. Let's start the method 2. Equal, select on REPT, both, phrase key, window, and semicolon. Click on star and close. Both, comma, click on one, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you again in my next video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment below.